Are you ready for the second problem? Again, listen and draw. Gavin is making a tower with linking cubes. He has 5 purple and 3 orange cubes. How many linking cubes does Gavin have? So he's making a tower with math cubes, just like we have. He starts with 5 purple and 3 orange. Here we can use our imaginations because it really doesn't matter what color they are. If you want to take out your linking cubes and get 5 and then 3, you can figure out how many total he has. Otherwise, draw a picture on your paper to show me 5 and 3, and then tell me the total. Down here we write a number sentence, and then this is the backwards one where the total number goes in the front, and then it's broken down into the 2 different parts.